Alamin natin ang mga koponang nanguna sa bakbakan sa PBA Philippine Cup kagabi sa Inares Center, Montalban, Rizal. Narito ang report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Matapos ang 4 na sunod na talo, muling nakabalik sa win column ang Phoenix Fuel Masters matapos dominahin ng Terra Firma Jeep 107-76 sa pagpapatuloy ng PBA Philippine Cup sa Inares Center, Montalban, Rizal. Malakas ang simula ng Fuel Masters na agad nagtala ng 37-20 lead sa unang yugto. Pagdating sa third quarter, lumobo pa ito sa 84-68 bago tuluyang pinatahimik ang Jeep sa huling quarter para sa liuhan ng panalo. Bumida si Kai Balungay na may 19 points at 12 rebounds, habang nagdagdag si Richie Rivero ng 16 points. May tig-12 puntos naman sina Jason Perkins at Brian Santos, kaya't umangat ang Phoenix at 2-5 record.
Ang ultimate goal namin is to make the playoffs. Pero hindi namin tinitingnan yung playoffs. Ang tinitingnan lang namin is the next game. Initially, it was Terra Firma, so we prepared very, very hard for Terra Firma. They give so many different looks defensively.
Tonight was a good step in the right direction. And it's a credit to the coaching staff. We see how hard they work to give us the blueprint to go out there and execute. And early on the season, we've had our struggles, but like I said, this is the first step in the right direction.
Sa second game naman, San Miguel Beermen ang nagpaulan ng punto sa kanilang 158-170 na panalo kontra Titan Ultra para mapanatili ang kanilang 5 sunod na panalo. Pinangunahan ni CJ Perez ang first half explosion ng Beermen na nagtala ng 24 points at 3 of 3 mula sa 3 dahilan ng 41-point halftime lead. Hindi na nakabawi ang Giant Risers at nalasap ang kanilang ikalimang pagkatalo. Natapos si Perez na may 26 points habang gumawa ng historic triple-double si Junmar Fajardo na may 12 points, 12 rebounds at 10 assists. Nag-ambag din sina Jericho Cruz ng 24 points, Don Toliano ng 20 at Jeron Teng na may 15 points at 6 rebounds.
We're honoring the game. Talagang nagpo-focus pa rin kami, and syempre it's basketball, di natin alam kung anong mangyayari. So hanggat hindi pa natapos yung laro, talagang nilalaro namin yung best namin.
Overall, it's a team effort especially yung bench namin. If you notice, talagang tambak yung first group namin sa second group 107 points versus 51. That's 60%, 66% ang output namin galing sa bench. And then, makikita mo naman during the playoffs talagang inaasahan ko yung bench And then, this is what happened tonight.
Dagdag pa ni Coach Leo, target ng team na makapasok sa top 4 patungong playoffs.
In order for us to get into the top 4, which is our target, so we need to have at least 8 wins. So, more or less naman, alam naman nila yun That's why, yung break namin, gagamitin namin for us to be consistent and to get into top shape because after our next 4 games, it will be a playoff games.
Magpapatuloy ang aksyon sa PBA sa Biyernes, November 14 sa Araneta Coliseum. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.